Celine, see, got birds. Just now, that is, I think, the mother or the father bird. There's two big birds uh, coming to here, making a nest just at this place. Celine, and there's two small birds uh, inside. See now, you see the mother bird feeding the two baby birds. So nice, Celine. How compassion is the mother birds. There's two big birds, so meaning the father birds and the mother birds. So I feel, like feeling good in my heart, seeing them, Celine. Can you hear their voice, their sound? So now we have birds, and I don't need to feed them because see, Celine, got two birds, isn't it? The mother bird, see? So it's just like you and me, Celine. Papa and Mama, and we got children. Soon, when times come, I'm gonna marry you. You're gonna become my wife. I'm gonna become your husband, and we have children. We're gonna really taking care of our children, just like these birds. Celine, okay, bye. Love you so much. I think probably this is the papa, and that is the mother, and there's two kids inside. Okay, Celine. Bye bye, birds.